Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. You can download a bill of sale on the Idaho DMV website. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. If you have a lost title, you can request a replacement by submitting the duplicate Idaho title application form on the DMV's website. Idaho requires you to fill out a release of liability. You'll need to do this within 5 days of the sale so you aren't liable if the vehicle gets into any sort of legal trouble in the future. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. You'll also need to contact your insurance agency and cancel coverage on the vehicle. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.